Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Authenticator app. So the first step you need to do is to open Google Authenticator. So once you open this app, here you can see this is the interface. You simply need to continue with your Google account. So click on three bars on the top left. Here you can see Authenticator codes, how it works, view in dark mode, transfer accounts and many options. So Authenticator codes, you can see all your codes here. But let's suppose I want to add another code in the Google Authenticator. So you simply need to click here. Here you can see two options, scan a QR code or enter a setup key. So I want a key. So here I want to add the Facebook. So click on Facebook and you need to add your key. Type of key you want to add, time based or counter based. So I want time based. Then you need to click on add and after that it will be shown here like this Baybyte. So this is a process how you can use Google Authenticator. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.